So someone has asked about Section 6013G election. So this allows someone who is married to a non-US spouse to elect to have them treated as a US taxpayer. And you may ask, that's bizarre. Why would someone ever want to bring a foreign spouse into the tax net? There are a number of reasons, but the two main reasons that we see with our clients are tax. So as you would know, for whether we like it or not, the reality is that the US tax code favors married couples over single. So if you file separately versus married jointly, you would face a heavier tax burden filing as married separately as opposed to jointly. So depending on the situation of your non-US spouse, it may be you may save money on taxes, and depending on your income level, we've seen clients save 4 or 5 figures simply by electing to file jointly. So it's a scenario that we run with clients to see whether it works to their advantage or not. And the second reason is part of just immigration planning, pre-immigration planning. This is for couples, so US, non-US, and the intent is at some point in time to sponsor a green card for the non-US spouse and for them to both live in the US. As you know, when you land in the US and you have no credit history, you can't do anything because you're off the grid, basically. I mean, getting a cell phone plan or leasing a car or rent an apartment, that spouse is completely, they face an uphill battle until they're in the system. Now, if it is that you make a 6013G election ahead of time, like a year or two ahead of time, then they are filing a tax return, they get a tax ID, they get into the system, they can prove their income in a way that US creditors will understand. So it's part of a strategy for pre-immigration, as in immigrating to the US, and it could be a tax benefit. So that's why.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming events are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.